Hi, this is Tom from freebetstats.com. In this video I'm going to talk about Boylesports' current free bet, which is for £20. To summarise the free bet, it's for customers who sign up and make a first bet of £10. Regardless of whether they win or lose that £10, they will get a £20 free bet. I've shown on the screen here on the right the terms and conditions from Boylesports' website. I've pulled out some of the key ones on the left and also shown the expected numbers. So you can see here the expected profit is £8.50, which is pretty strong. That equates to an expected return on investment of 85%. Both the minimum and maximum first bet amount is £10. We need to bet exactly £10. And the minimum odds for this is at least even, so 2.00 decimal. The free bet amount is £20. The free bet will expire 7 days after being awarded. As with all free bets, the value of the free bet, the stake, will not be returned in any winnings from this free bet. And finally, customers wishing to make a deposit with an e-wallet such as Neteller, Skrill or Moneybookers will not be eligible for the free bet. To be awarded the free bets, we need to take 2 steps. The first step is to clear our cookies. This is required to ensure that when we click on the promo link we get directed to the correct promotion. To do that in Internet Explorer, I'll go to Settings and then Internet Options, Delete, make sure that cookies and website data is checked and then press Delete and OK. In Firefox I'll go to Settings, History, Clear Recent History, select everything from the drop down and just ensure that cookies is checked and then clear now. In Chrome I'll go to Settings, History, Clear Browsing Data, ensure that the beginning of time is checked and cookies and other site and plugin data is checked, then clear browsing data. Once we've cleared our cookies, the next step is to sign up, make a deposit and then bet at the bookmakers. To do this, I'm going to navigate to freebetstats.com and scroll down and click on Boylesports and then claim your free bet now. This should open the exclusive offer in a new tab, and here I'm going to click join now. And this should open a registration form, so this needs to be filled out. Importantly, there is no promotion code that needs to be filled for Boylesports. Once this has been complete and the players registered, they can then go ahead and make a deposit and then go ahead and make that £10 bet in order to be eligible for the free bet. In the final part of this video, I'm going to move on to the numbers to show how we got an expected profit of £8.50 or 85% ROI. So I've got 4 columns here which relate to the 4 scenarios which can occur, and this is for the first bet and then the free bet, so I can either win both, win-lose, lose-win or lose-lose. I'm showing in this row here the chances of each event occurring. So if I look at win-win as a first example, the chance of it occurring is 25%. This is because I've assumed that I'm betting on a line which in real life is even, so a coin flip for example. I'm betting £10. I assume that when I win that bet, the bookie makes a margin on winning bets of 10%, so my profit is £9. I then get awarded a £20 free bet, again assuming I'm going to win, but the bookie's going to take a 10% margin, so my profit's £18. And my total profit here is £27. That's my 18 plus 9. My weighted profit is £6.75. That's the £27 times by the chance of this scenario occurring, which is 25%. The sums in the rest of these columns are all exactly the same, and to get the expected profit I'm summing my weighted profits from the 4 scenarios. My return on investment is my expected profit divided by my initial outlay of £10. In terms of risk for this one, I'd suggest it's pretty low risk because we are only outlaying initially £10 and we get twice that in free bets. If players wish to reduce their risk exposure, I'd suggest the best way is to split their free bets, and actually you will see earlier in the video, and I didn't pick it out, but in the terms the £20 is actually awarded as 4 £5 free bets. So I would suggest to reduce risk, playing these £4 or £5 bets on 4 different events in effect, and that should do the trick. Hopefully that makes sense to everyone. If you've got any questions, as always, please feel free to send me an email from freebetstats.com, or alternatively get me on the chat window there. I hope you've all enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.